Hi everyone, it's Miss M. Today we are going to be learning about simplifying algebraic expressions. To simplify algebraic expressions, first identify like terms, then add or subtract the like terms. Okay, remember that a term can be a variable and its coefficient, like 5m, or it can be a constant, like positive 7. So here we'll start with the like terms involving the variable m. So first we have 5m, and then we have 3m. 5m and 3m is 8m. And then we have our constants, positive 7 and positive 2. Positive 7 and positive 2 is positive 9. So 5m plus 7 plus 3m plus 2 simplifies to 8m plus 9. Our next example includes fractional coefficients. So here we have like terms, 2/5 x and 3/10 x. To add fractions, we need to remember our common denominators. Here, the least common denominator of 5 and 10 is 10. Don't forget about your variables. Here, our new numerator is going to be 4, and here the numerator stays 3. And I'll bring down the rest of my problem. Okay. When adding fractions, we add the numerators. Positive 4 and positive 3 is positive 7. So we have 7/10 x. And then we can combine our constants. -1 and -2 is -3. Remember to use P&N charts if you still need to. So 2/5 x plus 3/10 x minus 1 minus 2 simplifies to 7/10 x minus 3. Our third example includes decimal coefficients. First, we'll start with our like terms that include the variable x. So I have 2.5x and 1.6x. Remember when adding and subtracting decimals to line up your decimal place. So we have positive 2.5 and positive 1.6. We add. We get positive 4.1x. And then we have positive 1.8z and negative 0.9z. Different signs, we subtract. Again, if you're not sure why we're subtracting, go back to your P&N chart. Okay, so we have 0.9z, and we have positive because 1.8 is greater than 0.9. So 2.5x plus 1.8z plus 1.6x minus 0.9z simplifies to 4.1x plus 0.9z. And the last example, we want to find the perimeter of the figure. Remember, when we are finding perimeter, we add all the sides. First, I'm going to start by writing an expression. So I have 4.8x plus 4.8x plus 8.4x. Now, all of my terms include x's, so I can add them all together to get 18x and label it cm for centimeters. Have a great rest of your day, guys.